Hello friends, welcome to the session on Python tutorials. In today's session, we will see how to download and install Python on the Mac operating system. So let's begin the session. First, we will download Python from a Google browser. From a browser. This is the link, download Python. By default, it will detect your operating system. Now, at the moment, I'm using a MacBook, so it will select the latest. It will give us the latest version of Python 3.8.5. But before downloading, Python comes pre-installed on every MacBook. So let's see what is the version of Python that is installed on this Python. To check the version of Python, we will use the command Python --version. So over here we can see that Python 3.8.3 is installed on this MacBook. Also, there is another command to check whether Python is installed or not. So that command is just Python. It will give us the version Python 3.8.3 when it was released, all that information, and it will give us the Python prompt. So in this is just a command line interface for using Python. Say I want to declare a variable x and I want to assign a value y to x and I want to print x. This is the output 5. So next is print into brackets colon hello world. It will give me the print statement hello world. So this is the basic GUI. This is the basic command line interface to use Python in a terminal. Now, coming out of the Python, we will see what is a pip command, whether pip is installed or not in this terminal on this session. So pip is a package manager for Python packages. When we install pip, it is added to the system as a command line program which can be run from a command line. We not only use pip to install and uninstall Python packages, it's a great tool to create Python virtual environment. To check the version of pip is by pip --version. Then it will give us the pip version. This is the pip version and it will give us the directory where it is installed, the location where pip is installed. Now the next command that we can use is which Python. Which Python will give us the location or the directory name where this Python version is installed. So this is installed under /opt, the username /opt Anaconda 3 bin /Python. So this is how we can check we can install whether Python is installed or not, what is the version of Python, what is the version of pip, and what is the location where pip is installed. So these are some basic commands. Now this version is 3.8.3. Now let's see, you want to download the latest version of Python. So you can go to this website python.org/downloads and you can download the latest version. I will just click on download. It will download the package file. I will click on it. It will start the installer. Welcome to Python installer. It will give some information that this is the latest version of Python for that particular OS requirement. I'll select continue. This will be the agreement. I'll select continue. I'll accept the license, agree, and it will say the installation type. I'll select the standard installation. It will ask me for my password. I will enter the password. It will start installing the files. Now meanwhile, while it's installing, I would request all of you to go back and check my first video about what is Python and why Python. So this will give you the basic idea of what is Python, why Python is developed, why people are using Python, then what are the career opportunities of Python, and which are the companies that are using Python in their day-to-day activities. So please go back and see my video for Python. The name of the video is Python what and why. Now that we can see is the Python installation is completed. So this is the directory structure where all the required libraries and files are installed. Now this is IDE, I mean the idle for Python. This is the GUI for Python, and this is how it looks like. This is the basic GUI. I'm using the same commands. I'm printing X, again print hello world. It will give me the basic output, the print. This is how we can use the basic idle, that is the basic in GUI for Python. So this is how we will download Python and install. The same process will be there for Windows operating system. You'll have to go in this location, download this particular application, the exe file from Python, download Python, the latest version, and it will install it. We have to do the same process. We'll have to just click next till you get finish, and then open the idle and start executing the Python scripts. That's all for today's session. Hope you find it interesting. In the next session, we will see how to install Anaconda Jupyter on the Mac operating system. If you like my training sessions, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of my new session. This will support and motivate my channel. Thank you for watching.